Number 1. Public speaking. Communication is the backbone of our society. It allows us to form connections, influence decisions, and motivate change. Without communication skills, the ability to progress in the working world and in life itself would be nearly impossible. Public speaking is one of the most important and most dreaded forms of communication. Glossophobia, or speech anxiety, is the most common fear people have across the globe. Throughout primary school, it is easy to be the student who sits in the back of the classroom and avoids raising his hand, to dodge such situations. But in the working world, public speaking is a vital skill to have and to hone. Number 2. Copywriting. A copywriter's job is to form compelling ad copies to sell products, educate and engage consumers, write product descriptions, email blasts, banner advertising, etc. Their job also includes brainstorming concepts and developing storyboards. They work with marketing and other creative departments to refine communication strategies and ensure continuous brand messaging. If you intend to become a good copywriter, then besides writing grammatically correct texts, you should also focus on mastering techniques of brand recall. Learn to evoke responses from people. A good copywriter is expected to have a better understanding of the human psychology behind every buying decision, write compelling ad copies, and come up with catchy titles for brands. Correct copywriting skills will enable you to make good landing pages, sales pages, and email sequences to grab attention of people. You will find a lot of tutorials on how to become a professional copywriter on the internet. To start with, you can read a few detailed articles and try joining a course that will help you understand copywriting progressively. Number 3. Video editing. Video is definitely the most effective marketing as well as a promotional tool for music, products, services, news, education purposes, and so on. We can already see video editing becoming the next big thing. Also, it is one of the easiest skills to learn online to make money. At present, video production doesn't require huge expenses. The availability of a computer is all that is required to make professional videos if you possess the correct editing skills. Video editing skills are finally getting huge importance, which is resulting in it being the most important skill to make money online. Apart from YouTube itself, which offers you a lot of tutorials on video edit in detail, you can find courses on Udemy and lyndia.com that can help you out. Adobe has video tutorials on its website that are great for learning the software, so that's another tool that you can explore. Number 4. SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a great career choice if you are interested in marketing in general, are digitally savvy, and are fluent on the web. The results of your work as an SEO specialist will largely depend on competition and the right approach to the tasks at hand. As in many other areas related to information technology and the internet, it will be extremely important to constantly update your knowledge, develop and devote enough time to get acquainted with the news and the latest trends. If you take a close look at SEO as an industry, you will quickly see that it employs many successful professionals from all walks of life. It doesn't seem to matter much whether you studied marketing, English, law, science, or engineering at university. This is a high income skill you can learn at home to make money. As long as you have the skills and experience, your academic background is usually not the main criterion for success in search engine optimization. Number 5. Data analytics. No matter what facet of digital marketing you go into, analytics will be central to your strategy and help you make better data-driven decisions for campaigns. Monitoring and reporting via tools such as Google Analytics is pretty straightforward, but the tricky part is how to gather and use that information to learn more about consumer behavior and apply it to solutions that boost traffic and conversions. Most businesses, even small ones, have huge amounts of data to track, and great digital marketers need to understand how to gather and use this to their advantage. Companies will always be on the lookout for people who not only know how to read data using their marketing technical skills, but to extract value from customer data to improve future strategies. If you can show that you can do this in innovative ways that result in campaign success, you will be a valuable asset in the industry. Bear in mind that you don't have to stick to one platform for your analytics. Check out some alternatives to Google Analytics if they would work better for you. Number 6. Project management. Project management is all about organization. It's a process of planning, organizing, executing, and closing a project. Project managers are adept at communication and organization and leverage this to earn a high income. They are paid so well because they manage the multiple aspects of a company's process of creating products and services and often oversee various teams. Every business field and every company, no matter the size, has projects they need to carry out, and so they are all in need of project managers. That's why they are willing to pay between $80,000 and $120,000 for them on average. That's certainly a skill that can make you very wealthy. Number 7. Coding. This is a skill you can learn from the comfort of your home. You can make money from learning a language and teaching it to another student. You can also learn this high income skill by learning how to code on your own. The best way to learn to code is to study and immediately apply the skill set from a live instructor or to take an online class. You do not need to commit to a degree to learn the content, just the drive to learn. Languages such as C, C++, Ruby, Python and Java are all languages that will help jumpstart your career. You can choose to work from home, meet new people, and build credentials. You can also become a freelancer and charge what you feel is optimum for the project being presented to you. Things you would need to do on the job would be set up intranets, installing and configuring computer systems at a home or office, supervising and coordinating the maintenance of a new system or of network security, and developing new hardware and software for computer systems. Some jobs you can use with coding are web development and information technology. Number 8. Time management. Time is your life's currency, so you need to create a strict schedule so that you are able to complete all of your tasks efficiently and have extra time for self-improvement and new projects. You can't afford large amounts of unscheduled idle time, because this will eat into other things on your plate which require immediate attention. This may also mean being able to go without sleep sometimes, so get used to catching 40 winks whenever there is the opportunity, because successful people tend to sleep less. When you do have some rest time scheduled in, make sure you use it to the fullest, because this will enable you to recharge and come back stronger than ever. Number 9. Negotiating skill. Negotiating skills are important in almost every aspect of business, but they are particularly crucial when it comes to money. A lot of people have a tendency to put price before quality or service, which means they end up being ripped off because the person on the other side knows that they will pay whatever is asked without question. If you want to save money, get the best deals and maximize profitability in whatever industry you are in. Make sure you develop steely negotiating skills and you will always come out on top. Number 10. Another language. You never know when you might need to use a second language, and knowing more than one can help open doors for yourself. All the biggest businesses these days are global businesses, and so by learning to speak multiple languages, you will greatly increase the number of jobs available to you in countries around the world. If you have your own business, being multilingual will make it easier to build relationships with foraging clients and partners and expand more efficiently into new markets. The best languages to learn really depends on the industry you are in, but Mandarin, so Chinese, and Spanish are becoming increasingly more important for businesses and individuals in every niche. Even just a basic command of another language can help you to understand another culture better, which will help you to take advantage of any money-making opportunities that arise. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, then just share this content. Thanks again for watching, and check out my other videos. See ya. Bye.